Imagine for a moment the comforting embrace of a warm cup of tea on a crisp morning. The fragrant aroma wafts up, inviting you to take that first sip. It's a symphony of flavors, each note meticulously balanced as it soothes your very soul. Today, we dive in a world where sound meets serenity, where the Mangird T2, like its namesake, unveils its remarkable tea-like qualities. In the realm of sound, a treasure found. The Mangird T2, a symphony unbound, lush and vivid, its mids come alive, like sipping on tea, a sweet full-bodied dive. Mid-bass, warm and inviting, it flows, a sonic embrace where emotion grows. Tamed high mids, mature and wise, instrument dance under tranquil skies. Though BA timbre lingers just ever so slight, in this world it's a minor flight. Inoffensive highs like gentle rain, softly a caress, relieving all strain. But there's more to this tale we must impart. Its technical prowess, a work of art. Soundstage widens like horizons grand, imaging precise at your command. A revelation of resolving resolution it brings, as each note is distinct, as if on wings. In this audiophile's dream, we're fully immersed, every detail by T2 rehearsed. In the heart of its sound, a tale it weaves, a cup of tea where the soul believes. Mangird T2, a sip of pure art, a sonic masterpiece that touches the heart.